What's the best true story you know? I drove past a little kid on the side of the road on the way to work, but didn't have time to stop and see what he was doing. When I came back 8 hours later, I was surprised to see he was still just sitting there by himself. I read his sign, and it said he was selling Pokemon cards. I thought this was really strange, but the second I got home, my wife told me the most heartbreaking thing ever. She saw him too, and actually talked to his mom. Apparently their 6-month-old puppy was really sick, and the treatment was hundreds of dollars that they didn't have. That morning she told him that he might be at the vet or in heaven soon, and the boy decided he wasn't gonna let that happen. He asked his mom if he could go sell his Pokemon cards to pay for it, but she told him no. So he waited until his mom left and went outside and set up the stand trying to raise money to save him. Apparently his cards meant a lot to him, but his puppy meant more. A few people stopped by and gave him some money, but then a miracle happened. Someone posted a picture of him online explaining what he was doing, and almost immediately a GoFundMe was set up. The goal was to raise $800 to pay for the treatment, but his story went so viral, he ended up raising $20,000. He was able to not only get his dog the treatment he needed, but help hundreds of others too. Bruce ended up making a full recovery and is back home with Bryson now.